Hi, y'all. I'm Bill,
I'm Nancy.
and we are the
The
Thin
Thin
Blue
Blue
Lane.
Lane.
Hey, guys, it's Wild Bill. Today, we're going to go over some items we bought that we're going to need for the road from Home Depot.
Okay, guys, Fancy Nancy here. I wanted to talk to you guys about what we bought today. Boxes from Home Depot. I specifically bought these. It was actually Bill's idea, so I could prevent my pantry items from avalanching while we are moving. Everbrights, we got these because I am sure this has happened to some of you that you pull into a campground and it's either dusk or it's night and you need to hook up your hoses and you have no lights. So these are very convenient that you can tack on to the side of your rig where you hook up your hoses and also through your front door or any other area that you need a little bit extra light just to get you through. Fire extinguishers. We already have three in the house. If you have an RV, I don't have to tell you how important this is for you to have. But we have one in the kitchen, one by the front door, and one in the bedroom. And we just bought two more. One of those is going to go in the truck, and we're going to have an additional extra for the house. Utility knife. I bought this one just in case that the cardboard that I bought for the pantry needed to be adjusted in size. We all know how hard it is to cut cardboard with something that is not sharp, so this would come in handy. Screen. Okay, guys, this is a roll of screen. We ended up having to get this one because, as you all know, we have three little children that are Chihuahuas. And when we get out, they used to tend to scratch the little patio door that is in between the outside door. And they completely tore it up, and I am having to replace it. Screen spline. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm pretty sure it's not spleen because this is not medical school. Regardless, that is the little strip of plastic that kind of holds your screen together into the patio door. Clear TV antenna. This is an additional antenna. We do have one that's on top of our rig. However, if I want to sit down and watch TV and for some reason the connection or the signal or whatnot is not really that good, I would like to have that little extra boost to be able to pick up the channels. And this particular antenna, it is alleged, I'm saying alleged because we haven't tried it yet, that you can get pretty much every available channel that it's there on basic TV. Aqua Seal tape. We got this one because our awning is starting to have like a little see-through type of patch, and I'm afraid that with wear and tear is going to start making a hole in it, and I want to repair it before that actually happens and keep it in good condition. Dish foam. This one was actually an impulse buy. We found this one on the aisle as we were shopping for everything else, and it is actually a really good idea. Everybody needs dish foam so your dishes do not rattle in your cabinets. Even though they might not break, you're running a chance of getting chips in your dishes. Okay, moving along down the line. A box of fuses. I actually got this from one of the YouTubers that's also a RVer that advised that it's always good to have an additional box with assorted fuses because if you happen to blow a fuse because the campground hookups are bad and you cannot turn on the lights or your furnace before you go to bed, you have a problem. So these will come in handy and you can replace any of them that happen to go bad since there's an assortment of those. And bonus, it comes with a tester. The other thing it's going to be the little tool. Forgive me guys, I don't know what the actual terminal name is for that, but that is to be able to push the spline into the grooves to fix the screen. Okay, guys, this is just a short list of things that Bill and I needed for the road. Of course, your list and your items are going to be a little bit different depending on your needs. However, feel free to take some of these ideas that you might be able to use that I guess you could say would be universal, like the motion sensor lights that go on the outside. Those can help any RVer out there. Same with the clear channel antenna. So feel free to buy any of these. Thank you guys for watching our channel. Feel free to give us a like and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you next time.